we will learn animals and their young ones. Are you ready? Let's begin. Duck, duckling. The young one of a duck is a duckling. Cat, kitten. The young one of a cat is a kitten. Dog, puppy. The young one of a dog is a puppy. Pig, piglet. The young one of a pig is a piglet. Goat, kid. The young one of a goat is a kid. Kangaroo, joy. The young one of a kangaroo is a joy. Hen, chick. The young one of a hen is a chick. Sheep, lamb. The young one of a sheep is a lamb. Lion, cub. The young one of a lion is a cub. Tiger, cub. The young one of a tiger is a cub. Cow, calf. The young one of a cow is a calf. Butterfly, caterpillar. The young one of a butterfly is a caterpillar. Frog, tadpole. The young one of a frog is a tadpole. Monkey, infant. The young one of a monkey is an infant. Rabbit, bunny. The young one of a rabbit is a bunny. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Dear children, a thumbs up would be appreciated. Please like, share and subscribe.